Powered by Team Soundtech with DJ Mac and Joe Power Resort Hotel and Catering Services.
Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan ng pagbatay. Now we have John Martina and Juan Manuel! Alright, isang malakas na palakpakan naman sa ating celebrators. Thank you very much. And now, thank you very much guys. And now, to formally welcome us with the house celebration, nandito si Danny para sa ating opening remarks. Palakpakan natin, sir. I-welcome na po ang ating mga bisita. Palakpakan natin, guys.
Ito po, tanghali po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay niyo ng oras na makakala sa aming kampal. Mag-enjoy po tayo sa party at kumain po tayo, pakabusog po tayo. Tapusin po natin ang program po para makakulit. Salamat.
Thank you very much, palakpakan natin. And now, we know it's already lunchtime, but before that, pupunta tayo sa ating candle blowing. Pero, merong special guest ang ating kambal. Nasasamahan sila sa kanilang birthday celebration. Ayan, so palakpakan natin, we have our mascots right here from Disneyland. Kilala niyo ba kung sino sila? Kilala niyo ba kung sino sila? Yes, we have from Kabanatuan mascot Rebels, we have Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse! Palakpakan guys! Alright, so now pupunta tayo sa ating candle blowing. And so sasamahan sila ng ating dalawang mascot today. So paano kung magiging question natin? How about, igitna na muna natin yung cake. Sige pa mo. Pasis nga po sa waiters. Bakit ako mga pagitna na lang po. Dalawang waiters. Thank you very much from Radio Power. Palagyan na lang po sa gitna nila yung cake natin. Ayan, so kami, asap mo kayo content, i-bumog lang yung cake yan. So may baba, sa baba ako. Okay, and mommy, daddy, doon po tayo sa likod ng cake. As yung mascot yung dalawa, ako sila yung likod. Okay, there you go. Picture muna. Picture, guys. Okay, this time kantahan natin ang birthday song ng aming birthday celebrators. Ayan, and yung pinakamalakas kumanta, bibigyan ko agad ng special prize. Kung lang ako pala. Alright, so lahat po tayo, bigyan tayo sa pasayang malakas. Okay, our DJ, let's play the music. Okay, everybody, let's all sing. Happy birthday to you. Come on, Miss Mother. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, may kasamang palakpakan lang tayo. Sabay-sabay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, mommy and daddy in the candle tree. Ayan, tulungan na natin na siguro nag-isa lang po tayo. Ayan, in the candle tree, let's blow the candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow! Ready, blow! Palakpakan natin our birthday celebrator, Jenna Martina and Juan Manuel. And of course, hindi ko kayo celebration kung wala ang birthday wish from mommy and daddy. Unahin naman natin si mommy. Ma'am, birthday wish nyo po for sa inyong kabal, wala pong iyakan.
Birthday wish ko sa kanila, lagi ng isang paiso, at pinakamatapos sa Diyos, at makapunta.
Wish ko, yun. Nalawang lumusog. Pag mga babae.
Thank you very much. And pwede natin na sa waiters, pwede na po natin babalik yung cake natin. Kasi this time, magbibigay ng dance number ang ating dalawang special guest. That you heard it right. So this time, hanggang. Yan, ating baba. Hanggang yan, ha? Alright, so this time, magbibigay mo sa dance numbers sa atin. And then mamaya, ayan, sa nasa Pinas na yung Victoria natin. But this time, sasayaw muna sila, okay? So, if you're ready na ba yung ating sound? Mickey Mouse! Ay, di ba katanong si Mickey Mouse? Thank you very much, Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. So now, we can say goodbye to them for now. Mamaya, babalik sila para sa second appearance. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Palakpakan din natin, guys! There you go. Yes, alright, for our next magic, I'll be using fire. Kids don't try this, okay? Uy! Isa pa. Thank you very much.